This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Open and airy end-unit townhouse in the desirable Townes at Whitehall. Fantastic floor plan featuring a large dining room with a bay window overlooking the common area, spacious kitchen featuring a gas range, black appliances and ample cabinet space, and a sizable living room leading out the fantastic back patio with raised deck and firepit. Upstairs, the large primary bedroom features a large closet and ensuite bath. 2 additional bedrooms and another full bath complete the unit. Outside, the park-like shared green space leads to additional parking. A wonderful arrangement for entertaining with a fantastic location, minutes to major highways, fine dining, shopping, entertainment and more. For more information, review the details below.